Mary Bubble, super duper Ramachu. How come everybody sings so what can we do? Let them be a game if you just say so. So come on everyone, be Zoe Kazako. La 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 la. Zoe. La 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 la. Zoe Kazako.
January 18th. Hey, F! Yes, Q? You know what today is? I don't know. You must say today. Today we're going to be making Go Anime video. Not today. So, welcome back to Storytime. So, I'm sorry for F and Q got interrupted from the intro. Well, anyways, I'm here with O, D, K, M, T, R, H, Creeper as well, and B, F, C, E, J, and Z. So, today's the day we're going to, you know what is played today? You know what today is when summer's over, it's time to go to Great Wolf Lodge! That's not our time! Why not? Look at the time! Really? It's July 2025! That means we're going to Great Wolf Lodge! Yay! Wow! After they got to the car...
Alright, guys, is everyone buckled in?
Yes!
Okay,
Yes!
Well,
Let's go!
Alright, everybody, we're here. Let's get out.
When they arrive at Great Wolf Lodge... Okay, you guys, behave! Hey, Bobby Bear Hug, can I go to the Howling Tornado? Of course, O, but Catnap is about to put his swimsuit on. What? Come on, that's not funny! How am I gonna do that? Can you please wait? I'm trying to get this on, and then I can go. Ugh, why is holding up everybody's line?
Hey, kid, hurry up already. I'm hungry.
Me too!
Pumpkin porcupines, kid. Give me some food already. Yes, seriously, I'm very hungry. Now hurry up and pick something. Yes, seriously, this is my lunch hour. Kid, hurry up. You're holding up the darn line already. Choose something.
Fine, I'll have to wait. Too many minutes later. Yay! I'm here! This is the best thing ever of my life! Woohoo! Whee! Uh-oh! I got stuck down! Everybody get out of the slide before it's too late! How many letters are in a water slide? Great! Now they're stuck! You know what? You asked for this! I'm gonna take care of you folks! No! Oh! Wait! Don't do it! You know what's gonna happen next! Wow, guys, look what you did! You made a mess the floor, and you killed all the letters in the floor. And he has eyes, mouth, and his teeth less. And look at this broken teeth, and broken nose. And look at this. He has nose piercings, and they have ears pierced. You made Coffee Corn cry.
Holy moly, that kid is insane. Ah!
You know what? Let's go to the other pool. Hey, lifeguard! Nice view out here. Thanks. Hey, Z, why are you lying? Oh, I just want some nice relaxing out here. So that's all. Attention, everyone! Disney Junior will play the magical world of Disney Junior. So everybody come to the wave pool. Yay! The magical world of Disney Junior! Yay! It's coming arrives! I'm gonna get out of the water and come to the wave pool. Yay! Did you see that? It's a magical world of Disney Junior! Yay! It's a magical world of Disney Junior! Let's go! Oh no! It's the magical world of Disney Junior! I'm too old to Disney Junior. What should I do to get revenge? That's it! I'm done with this no more. You know what? I'm gonna prank call for everyone. Ha 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 ha! Now, let's do this. Hey everybody! There's jellyfish in the wave pool! Jellyfish? There's no way we can do this. Yay! I did it! Now nobody can see to watch the magical world of Disney Junior! Guys, look at yourself. There are no jellyfish in a wave pool. Get it? Jellyfish in a wave pool? Well, sorry about it. I don't have a footage. It's okay. Let's go to the hotel room. I'm really sleepy. Yeah, let's go. Okay, guys, this is your hotel room. Guys, behave in the morning or else you're in trouble. Okay, good night. Good night, you two. The next morning. Guys, do I really have to do this? Yes, you have to do it. And oh, please wait your turn. What? Why do I have to wait my turn? Because Hoppy Hopscotch can jump. Please wait your turn or else you fall in the water. That's it! You asked for this! I'm gonna drown you! Wait! No, Ed! Don't do it! Whoa! 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 Ah! Hope you learn your lesson, Hoppy Hopscotch. What the heck? Did he just drown? Don't worry, I got this. Guys, do we have to do this? Well, why can't we help us? Guys, look! We found it! Yay! Thank goodness, guys. We saved it. Hooray for Kay! Yay! Well, I told you by that. Welcome to Duck and Donuts. How can I serve you today? I will take a king box number 1 with medium or large fries. Large fries, Pepsi. And I will get some double cheeseburger meal with medium fries, medium Pepsi. I'll have a barbecue turkey bacon meal, 8 pieces of chicken nuggets, and medium Pepsi. I'll take the spicy chicken sandwich and medium fries, medium Pepsi. I'll take the double bacon cheeseburger, medium fries, and large Pepsi. And I'll have a 10-piece chicken nuggets with orange juice. Do you think that's a lot? Nope, anything but now. You have a King Box #1 combo. Sorry, but we're all out of food. But I already take your combo with mac and cheese. Oh well, there's something else we can't do about it now. There you go. Burger King Box. Come on, guys, let's eat. Woohoo! Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. Hey, what about me? I need something with the go-karts. Why do I get some go-karts? I need to take a short for a while. Oh well, I can do about it right now. You know what? I'll go a different game. Huh? Ooh, a skee ball! I love skee ball! Time to throw it. Okay. Okay. Huh? Hey! Why just call the phone? Come on! 12 pointless throwing later. This better works before a Great Wolf Watch is going to pay me. Yay! I did it! Wait, what the hell? Curse this game so much! Grr! Shoot! I just lit it on fire! I better get out of here! Wait, what's that smell? Oh my god! It's a fire! Everybody get out! Ah! Oh no! It's on the fire! Let's get out of here!